just want to let you guys know that these gloves these days, they're because of the pandemic. I'm in Montreal, so all the gloves like this, they're out of stock. So every time I'm done with these, what I basically do is that I take some, oh, sorry, I grabbed my phone. I take some isopropyl alcohol and I disinfect them. Today, I'm going to grab an empty jar of Cover Pink or Concealer Pink. See, it's totally empty. It's from Young Nails, the famous gel kit that I always talk about. Okay, I'm not going to wash what's still in there because, you know, it's just everything's going to melt together. So what I want to do today is I want to create a Cover Pink. Now, this is maybe for people that have lots of product, it's easy. But I find that when you don't have a ton of gels or Cover Pinks, anyways. So I'm going to try to make my Cover Pink today and make sure I disinfect like all around. Don't know why I do that, but hey, it's the time. Let me check. So I have the, oops, sorry. I have the cheapest gel I could find on Amazon, and it's light pink. It's not strong enough. It's a flexible type of thing, so you can't build a nail with this. So I am going to try and see, like, if I cannot build a nail, you know, what I could come up with. So I'm going to put some of this in there. So I'm not even going to be shy about it. This stuff is extremely runny. So see, it's extremely runny. So I got my stuff in here. Just going to make sure that it's all in here. It's going to be very messy, guys. So it's not for the faint at heart. So I'm just going to scoop that because I don't want to waste it. There you go. And I'm going to put it back in my little, hopefully, concealer pink. I'll grab white of the same kind. And this is not IBD, by the way. It says IBD on the cover. And I'm just going to take a little scoop of this. Choop. I don't want to go, maybe that's too much already. And now I'm going to take this and I'm just going to mix it together and see if I can make somewhat of a decent Cover Pink. And it's extremely pink, but it's still nice. I'm just going to, I think it would cover, but it's just too light. It's extremely light. So I'm going to grab a little bit more pink and put that in there, see what happens. Maybe I just had too much white, you know what I mean? And as you can see, it's more white than pink. It's not really pink. Beige blush like this. Maybe. So here it is. That would be my color. Unless I want to add a little bit more brown. I'm not sure. No. I'm going to try one drop of dark pink. Not dark pink. Pink. I might. Okay, so that's going to give us the pink that we need to cover, you know, that I need. Now, how is it going to hold? Is it going to hold like a gel, like a polish? I don't know. Let's give it a try. So I'm going to grab a bit of that color gel that I made. And I'm just going to try it on Fingerbell here. I'm going to go, I'm going to go right here. And I just want to see, like, see, it's very, very, like a light pink. And it's more like a color gel than a gel. Out my thumb here. I'm not gonna, I just want to see if it covers really nice, or does it actually look like a Cover Pink, you know what I mean? Does it? Yeah, it does cover. See? It's not the prettiest cover pink you'll ever run across, but if I need a cover pink, I mean, now I'm just going to grab this. I mean, it might not even be cured, you know. See? It's not bad. No, it actually looks like a, yeah, fair enough. And, oh, it's hard. Oh, it's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Yeah. Yeah, it covers. So today was my way of sharing with you when you don't have a lot of products and we were able to create our cover pink for our next video. So take care of yourself. Don't forget to smile, because it's going to make you and somebody else feel better. And also just be kind and hopeful, and have a good day.